Hello, everybody. This is the video for the home connection called Thinking About Strategy. I'm going to work through most of the problems with you to give you a start and help you make sure you're getting them correct. So complete the box challenges below. First of all, make sure you put your name at the top, of course. Complete the box challenges below. Remember that these are ones where this number at the top is the product of the two numbers in the gray, and the number at the bottom is the sum. So there's a couple different ways I can look at this one. When it gives me three of the numbers, I can try to think what times 8 equals 56, or I can think what plus 8 is 15. And I'm going to do 15 minus 8 is 7. Then I'm going to double check. 8 times 7 is 56. Sure is. Now on this one, though, they only give us the product and the sum. So I have to think about what numbers multiply to get 18. Well, 1 times 18, but that doesn't get me 9. 2 times 9, that again, I can't add that up to get 9. 3 times 6, those add up to get 9, so must be 3 and 6. Number 2, the craft store sells large boxes of modeling clay that hold 18 sticks each. Complete the ratio table to find out how many sticks there are in different numbers of boxes. So we've used ratio tables quite a bit. This should be familiar to you. So if I have one box, I have 18 sticks of clay. I'm going to multiply that by 2 to figure out what I have in 2 boxes. So 2 times 18 is 36. To get how many are in 3, I'm going to add 18 and 36. I'm going to just do that over on the side here. 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 5. So 54. Now, to get 5, I can do one of two things.
This is just a friendly reminder to all our staff that we will have donuts and coffee in the pack area tomorrow morning to celebrate our social workers for Social Worker Week.
Yay,
Thank
lucky
you.
staff get to have donuts and coffee. Sorry about that. So I could add these two up, or I could skip and go to 10 and divide it in half. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to skip the 5 and go to 10. So 18 times 10 is 180. Divide that in half. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and so 90. If I had added 36 plus 54, I would have gotten the same answer. And then 50, I'm just going to use my 5 and multiply it by 10 to get 900. And then 55, I'm going to add together my 50 and my 5 to get 990. As long as I start off with the right numbers, I don't have to do as much work. Number 3, you can also buy small boxes of modeling clay at the craft store for $3.50 each. Find out how much it would cost to buy different numbers of small boxes of clay. Okay, so one box is $3.50. I'm going to double that for 2 boxes, and that's $7. I'm going to multiply by 10 to get how many for 10 boxes. So I just move the decimal over, and it equals $35. For 20, I'm just going to double that. 35 doubled is 70. Or I could have thought of 2 times 10, and they'd get the same answer. For 19, I'm going to think of 70, and I'm going to take away 1. So that one gets a little trickier. I'm going to do my work over here on the side because 350 is how much 1 costs. 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't do this, so I have to borrow. That becomes 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And I get $66.50. For 40, I'm just going to double what I had for 20 and get $140. And then for 39, I'm going to take what's 40 and take away 350 again. 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. $136.50. Okay, now on the next part, I'm only going to do the first couple for you and then ask you to finish the rest because we've talked about this. Solve the problem in the string below. Use the answers from the first few combinations to help solve the rest. This is that half tens facts stuff that we've talked about. So 36 times 10, again, we just move the decimal, equals 360. Then to find 36 times 5, I'm going to cut 36 in half, which we have up here, that 18 times 2 was 36. So 180. And then you can figure out this one by adding those two up. You can figure out this one by just moving the decimal one more place from that one. And then this one is going to be half of that one. Now, F, you're going to have to use the information you got here to help you figure out that one. Okay, so that use those all together to help you figure those out. Okay, going on to the back, same idea with using the problem before to help you solve the next problem. 36 divided by 18, we already said that 36 times 2 is 18, so this must be 2. If I can recognize that 72 is double 36, then I know this has to be 4. And then if I recognize when I add 36 plus 72, it's 108. That's one more group of 2, so that's 6. Then notice your decimals or your zeros are here to get these two. And then think about what your answer here is compared and use that. Remember, we did this multiply by 100 and take away one group to figure out what 99 times is. Number 6, the challenge. Noah loves the half-tens facts and often uses them to solve multiplication problems. Make up a 2-digit by 3-digit multiplication problem for which using half-tens facts is efficient. Then solve the problem using that strategy. So I'm not going to do this one for you, but I want to see you try. Thinking about half-tens should have a 5 in the ones place or be 50. Okay, so 50 or 15 or 25 would all help you do half-tens facts. And then any 3-digit number that you'd like to multiply it by. All right, as always, if you still have questions, make sure you ask. Sorry about all the interruptions in that video, but I hope that helps. Have a good day.